Thank you. We have another hot things. We are going to welcome one by one. Let's start from Sierra. You are welcome.
Good evening. I'm here by the name of Yatuma Sarah. I am going to tell you something. Though we are children, we are future leaders. We are future superstars. We are future rich. God bless you.
Good evening. Good evening. I am here by the name of Emmanuel Mucho. I am Rwanda, suffering from blindness. I am going to tell you something. Every hand you see, use it to beat the cheeks. We are future teachers. We are future doctors. We are future ambassadors. We are future presidents. God bless you. Good evening. I'm here by the name of Angela. I am going to tell you something. Never mind mistake matter I learned from them. Because when you do mistake today, don't do it tomorrow. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Mvka. I want to tell you something. Discipline is a key of success. Because if you don't have discipline, you don't be a good father, a good mother, and a good student. Very things require discipline. Thank you for your kind attention. God bless you.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Thank you to give me a speech. I'm here by the name of Sage Adoni Ugogwema. I want to tell you something. A hard stick kills a snake. Because when you work hard, you achieve success. You will be a future engineer, you will be a future pilot, and you will be a future players. Thank you.
Good evening. I am here by the name of Amagambo. I want to tell you something. Try to fail. Do not fail to try. Because if you fail today...
Hey guys, who are you?